The only beginner lesson you'll ever need. 5 simple steps. This is Eleonora, and I'm Pierre. Eleonora, I've been watching a ton of singing videos on YouTube lately. I really want to learn to sing, but I can't afford private lessons. YouTube seems like the only option.
That makes sense, Pierre. YouTube can be a good place to start, but it can also get confusing fast. It's easy to go down the rabbit hole of videos and end up more overwhelmed than when you started.
That's exactly how I feel. There's just too much out there.
Well, you don't have to get lost in it. I'll walk you through what actually makes a difference when learning to sing. Are you ready?
I think so. This is really my first official voice lesson.
Then welcome to it. Let's go. First things first, learning to sing well isn't about talent alone. It's about technique and getting the right feedback. If you stick with me, you can become the singer you're meant to be.
I hope so. I've always admired artists like Frank Sinatra, Elton John, and Billy Joel. Even Michael Jackson. He had insane vocal control.
Funny you say that. The techniques we're using today have helped singers like them. Frank Sinatra, Michael Jackson, Beyoncé for women. What they have in common is that they trained with proven vocal methods. That's what I'll be teaching you.
Okay, now I'm curious. What is step 1?
Before we start singing, we need to talk about the instrument, your body. Unlike a guitar or piano, your entire body is your instrument when singing.
You mean it's not just about the vocal cords?
Exactly. Sure, your vocal cords are part of it, but posture, breath support, and tension or lack of it all impact your sound. If you're slouched or hunched over, you're literally muffling your own voice.
So, posture first.
Yep. Let's get into what we call tall posture. Stand up, feet shoulder width apart. Your hips should align with your shoulders and your shoulders with your ears. Keep your chest slightly lifted, but don't puff it out. Chin and gaze straight ahead.
Okay, I'll do it now. Got it. Feels a little stiff though.
That's normal at first. Just think relaxed but tall. Posture alone won't make you a great singer, but it gives your voice the space it needs. Next, let's talk about breath.
I always hear that breathing is important, but I never really knew what that meant.
It's huge. Breath is the fuel for your voice. If you're running on empty, even the best vocal cords won't sound good. We use diaphragmatic breathing, also called singing from the diaphragm.
Okay, how do I do that?
Place your hands on the bottom of your stomach. Now inhale, but don't let your chest or shoulders rise. Instead, let your stomach gently expand as the air comes in. Feel your hands move outward.
Okay, I'll do it now. Wait, I shouldn't force it though, right?
Exactly. Let the breath naturally expand your stomach. Then, as you sing and hold a note, your stomach should slowly come back in. Don't let your chest lift or tighten up. That weakens your breath support.
So, it's all about keeping the movement in the stomach.
Right. When posture and breath are both working for you, your voice has a foundation. But now it's time to make some sound.
Finally, I've been waiting for that part.
I get it. But before we dive into songs, we need to get a clear sense of where your voice is. Most beginners develop bad habits without even knowing it. For example, if the bottom of your voice is too breathy, you'll probably strain on the high notes.
That makes sense. I do feel like I push too hard when I try to sing high.
You're not alone. Let's use a 5-tone scale to assess your voice. We'll sing up 5 notes and come back down on an O vowel, like the word over. I'll demonstrate. Sing it and record yourself. That way you can listen back and notice if you're flat, sharp, straining, or breathy.
Okay, I'll do it now. Oh, oh, oh,
was great.
That was harder than I thought.
That's normal. Now listen to the recording. What did you hear?
I think I sounded singing too high most of the time. Now I leave Eleonora for 6 seconds and talk to you directly. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video. Back to Eleonora. So my question was, what if it sounds weak at the bottom and tight at the top?
Well, that's super common. In this case, we could fix it with the next exercise. Try the same 5-tone scale, but instead of O, try to count on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, like robot counting?
Exactly. Do your best robot impression. This exercise is meant to strengthen your speaking voice at the bottom of your range. The stronger your bass, the easier the top will be. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, like in a robotic voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
They were kind of flat. Just repeat it.
1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Whoa.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now that your low notes are solid, let's go after those high ones. We use an astonished no, as in nobody.
That's a nice sound. Why?
The astonished tone actually helps opening your backspace and gives your voice grip. We'll use an octave repeat siren. Up, repeat, and then back down. I'll demonstrate. No, no.
Okay, I do it now. No. 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 No.
It was a bit flat, the higher one. Try to yawn more when you go up high.
No.
That was much better. And don't worry if it sounds odd, that's the point. Not every exercise will sound pretty, but they will build real strength and control. Every voice is different and the key is finding what works for yours.
That was way more helpful than just watching videos. I actually feel like I understand what I'm doing now.
That's the goal. Stick with these exercises daily and you'll be amazed at the progress you make.
Thank you so much, Eleonora. Will do. Give me just a minute to summarize. Start with posture. Stand up, feet shoulder width apart, think tall but relaxed. Step number 2, diaphragmatic breathing. On inhale, stomach expands, chest and shoulders still. On exhale, stomach slowly comes in. Step number 3, assess your voice. Sing a 5-tone scale on O, up and down again. Record your voice and listen to it to discover weak spots. Step number 4, improve your voice. Sing a 5-tone scale with robot counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And step number 5, sing better high notes. Sing an astonished no. Start on a comfortable pitch, glide up an octave and down again. Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.